especially in today's day and age, where I truly believe that micro influencing on social media has much more power than traditional media does these days. I truly, truly believe that. Um, and just by doing good and doing the right thing, it naturally also, um, helps me with business stuff too. A lot of people reach out because they need legal help, and a lot of the things I don't do. I don't do immigration cases. We're going to announce soon that we actually have one of the folks unfortunately died representing the family from one of the ICE raids, so that'll be out in the
Oh,
news soon as well. But like, if I can help and that's my specialty, we do it. If not, that's why we created the platform Attorney Share, to be able to find the specialist for that consumer as fast as you can. Um, but yeah, dude, that really ticks me off when people just they don't do anything. You see, their head is. I've lost so much respect for some lawyers and law firms because they like laugh and root for this stuff because they think it's good for their pocketbook. I mean, come on. Um, and they also represent the Latino community, so I think that's just total horseshit.
it is horseshit. I mean, what do they think is good for their pocketbook? The raids, or just the Republican administration, the tax cuts, or all of the above?
Kool-Aid drinkers that think that trickle down economy, if you cut down my taxes, that I'll be able to do all these things. I
Yeah.
mean, look, like, why can't you be of the mindset that picking up the middle and working class is better for everyone, including your clients, including you, including your employees? Like, I just don't conceptually think like that. Um, and I also just don't think it's right. Like, if I don't know, I see too many things. Well, it's good for Trump's terrible for me on social issues. That's not what I like, but they're great for me on the economy. And first of all, it's like, well, that ain't true. One, two, it's like, well, why would you have that mindset? I grew up without anything, and I could gladly go back to doing that, right? So whatever.
Yeah, it is like this mindset where we're all separated, and I guess in a way we are more isolated than we've ever been. But yeah, I mean, what are we even doing if we don't care about each other anymore? Like, what are we even doing here? So I hear that. You said that you think micro influencing is more powerful than like mainstream media. It's
Hmm.
interesting. Why is that? Is it like a trust factor with influencers? Is it
So I
a
think this is,
community?
and
Yeah.
I talked to a lot of law firms about this, and I think that a well branded law firm or company that has a trust factor to it, there's a lot more power if you have 1,000 people following you than a million people that are just unengaged, right? So my wife's big in the consumer, direct to consumer products, and they're all in on that as well. It's like, look, if LeBron James endorses a product, but he doesn't really do anything with it, like it doesn't really have the authenticity that you need it to be with. It's just not as sticky. So, like, if consumers are looking for an individual that they have a trustworthy factor with, it's a much more likelihood they're going to sign with that lawyer or law firm, for instance, or buy that product.